Hi guys, I'm here today to show you this 3-bedroom semi-detached property over on Westwood, Crescent in Eccles. So to the front of the property, as you can see, we've got off-road parking for multiple cars and access to the garage. Now, as we head on in, you see the property's been renovated to a really high standard. So to the right, we've got the downstairs bathroom. And there. Now, as we head on through, we've got the first reception room to the left, which is currently used as a dining room. Fantastic space in here. Loads of natural light, beautifully presented. And as we head on through again, we've got the living area. We've got the lovely chimney breast there. It'd be ideal if someone wanted to put a log burner in. Really big window, letting loads of natural light through. Fantastic space for families and entertaining. And then through to the kitchen. You've got the fitted kitchen, the integrated oven, gas hob, space for a washing machine and a fridge freezer. And then to the back you have got the utility area there. Also leads out onto the garden. Again, a really good space in here. It has been replastered, so it is ready to be redecorated. And through to the large rear garden. Again, a really good space out here. Super quiet. Nice and private. You've got your access to the garage there and back round to the driveway. Now, as we head on upstairs, you'll find 3 really good sized bedrooms, the 4-piece family bathroom and also a storage cupboard. So to the top of the stairs on the left, we've got the storage cupboard in here, fantastic space. And then up again to the left, we've got the 3rd bedroom. Currently just used as storage at the moment, but would fit a double bed and furniture in. We've then got the master here to the front. Again, a fantastic size, loads of space for additional furniture. Then got the 3rd bedroom, which again fits a double bed and additional furniture in, overlooking the garden. And through to the 4-piece family bathroom, the walk-in shower and the bath. Really modern in here. Properties like this don't stick around long, so if you would like a viewing, please give us a call and we'll get you booked in.